In today's fast-paced healthcare environment, diagnostics providers need speed, accuracy, and reliability at scale. Speed and reliability are no longer optional. They are the foundation of modern diagnostics. Our client is a leading diagnostic services provider in India, serving a large and growing customer base. They provide home collections, lab visits, and customized healthcare packages to thousands daily. Their existing laboratory information management system was built on outdated technology, limiting customization. It slowed operations and created instability across workflows, leading to frequent system restarts. New employees required weeks of training, and operational delays became a regular hurdle across labs. Doctors waited minutes just to load studies, while teams struggled with unnecessarily complex workflows. Every operation took longer than it should, directly impacting productivity and the overall patient experience. After a deep technical and operational analysis, a fully custom in-house LIMS was architected. It was designed from the ground up for high performance, usability, and long-term scalability. Every module was tailored specifically to the unique needs of their diagnostics operations. The platform was rebuilt with a modern, intuitive interface, streamlining complex workflows. By reducing cognitive load, we empowered teams to work faster and with fewer errors. Smart filters and guided forms now ensure data integrity at every step. A high-performance backend and optimized database architecture eliminated previous bottlenecks. An advanced result entry interface now enables faster and more accurate clinical decisions. This stability allows the system to scale effortlessly alongside the business. AI was seamlessly integrated, automating radiology reporting and assisting doctors with clinical conclusions. It even extends to HR, enabling smarter recruitment and more efficient staff workflows. The system runs on a modern, cloud-native stack optimized for speed and security. It's built for reliability, using the latest in caching and real-time monitoring. The transformation delivered measurable results across operations, costs, and patient experience. Billing is now instantaneous, and report turnarounds are 20% faster. Employee training that used to take weeks is now completed in under 24 hours. Server and infrastructure costs have plummeted, even as capacity grew. The new LIMS enabled seamless onboarding of new centers to support rising patient volumes. It has laid a strong foundation for the next generation of clinical innovation. A future-ready LIMS built to power the next generation of diagnostics operations. Smarter diagnostics, faster decisions, better patient care.